Hi, I am Neil Farah. Applying cell formatting in Google Sheets allows you to change the appearance of cells, including font style, size, color, alignment, borders, and more. Here's how you can apply cell formatting in Google Sheets. Select the cells you want to format, click and drag to select a range of cells, or click on a single cell to format it individually. Access the Format menu. In the top menu bar, click on Format. This menu contains various formatting options. Format the cells using different options. Font formatting. To change the font style, font size, and font color, go to Format, Text, and choose your desired options from the submenu. Cell alignment. To align the text within the cells, go to Format, Align, and select the alignment option you want: left, center, right, top, middle, bottom, dot. Cell background color. To change the background color of the cells, go to Cell Colors and select a color from the color palette. Borders. To add borders to the cells, go to the Borders. You can choose from different border styles, such as thin, medium, thick, and dotted. Number formatting. To format numbers with specific decimal places, currency symbols, or date formats, go to Format, Number, and choose the appropriate formatting option. Apply conditional formatting. Optional. Conditional formatting allows you to format cells based on specific conditions or rules. To apply conditional formatting, select the cells you want to format, then go to Format, Conditional Formatting. From there, you can choose different formatting rules based on your data. Use the Format options in the toolbar. Optional. Instead of using the Format menu, you can find some basic formatting options in the toolbar. For example, you can change font styles, font size, font color, and cell background color using the toolbar. Copy cell formatting. Optional. If you have already formatted a cell and want to apply the same formatting to other cells, you can use the Format Painter tool. Click on the cell with the desired formatting, then click on the Format Painter button in the toolbar. Select the cells you want to apply the formatting to, and they will be formatted accordingly. By following these steps, you can apply various cell formatting options to your Google Sheets and make your data more visually appealing and easy to read. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and click the like button. See you on my next tutorial.